Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Will you join me to start a review of a £5 coin from 2024? It has a Charles III portrait on this side along with the date and the value of £5. On the reverse it's part of the Icon series. We have Maid Marion in a tree, situated in a tree, and she has her bow and a quiver of arrows around her body. Bow going on the side of the body, and then you've got the quiver of arrows on her back. This is the second one in the Robin Hood series. This Robin Hood series of 3 coins originally came out as silver bullion coins. I do have them as silver bullion coins. 2 or 3 years ago. I think it was 2020, either 2021 or 2022. They have been re-released with Charles's portrait on as normal bunk coins. It depicts Marion as a young woman. Excuse me. I do actually like this coin. The only problem I have with these Icon series is the fact they do 3 coins, and they stop doing that series and release 3 coins from another series, and you never get a full list of characters. We don't know whether they're going to go back to these series, so we don't know, for instance, if they go back to the Arthur series, whether they'll produce Guinevere, Sir Lancelot, Sir Galahad, or the sword Excalibur. We don't know if any of those will happen. With this series, we don't know whether the third one in the series will be Little John. So we don't know whether we're going to get Friar Tuck, the Sheriff of Nottingham, others. What other ones are there? Will Scarlet. There's still a few more that need to come out if you're going to do those series of coins of Robin Hood. And this begins to annoy me slightly with these series, that they don't complete all the characters that they could possibly use, and they go on to something else and only partially do that series and don't complete all the characters. And they're talking of a third series of Beowulf. Last year they said they had the designs and it was due to be released, but they never got round to it. Now I don't know whether it's going to come out this year, whether it's been scrapped. There's been nothing actually, there's no rumours going around that it's going to be yet another new series of Icon coins. I really do wish they would do a complete set of characters rather than just do 3 and then stop and go on to something else. It's annoying, it's incomplete, and it really bugs me as a completionist that they don't complete a series before they do something else. It would make far more sense to do it that way, but then again, when has the realm it ever made any sense? I do enjoy these Icon series, as I've enjoyed some music icons, as I've enjoyed other icons. I just wish they, as I said, they would complete sets instead of just letting them hang there, not sure whether you'll go back to them in 6 to 10 months time or in 2 to 3 years time to start the sets back up again. And if you do start the sets back up again in 2 or 3 years time, will you reissue the same 3 coins again that you've already issued twice? So that's my bugbear of this series, that they don't complete it. What do you think of these coins? I personally do like them. It's, as I said, I've explained my bugbear. What do you think of these coins? Are you collecting them? Do you have them? Do you wish they'd have kept it exclusively as a set of bullion coins? Are you happy that they've done them with BU as well as bullion? Let me know in the comments below. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me a thumbs up? If you have not done so already, could you think about subscribing to the channel? I am trying to hit 425 by the end of this year, so I do need your help. Neither of these two things will cost you any money. Finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.